Hey there, I'm Mike with the Annuity Expert. Today, we're going to discuss how to never run out of money in retirement. You've worked hard for decades. Now it's time to make sure your savings last as long as you do. But what happens if the stock market crashes? What if inflation eats away at your nest egg? What if you withdraw too much too soon? Many retirees rely on stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. But here's the problem: market downturns. Imagine retiring right before a 30% market drop. If you're withdrawing money while your investments are down, your savings may never recover, and you could run out of money far earlier than expected. Some people count on Social Security and pensions, but let's be honest, Social Security alone isn't enough, and pensions are disappearing. Others turn to dividends or rental income, but these aren't guaranteed and come with their own risks. And then there's inflation, the silent threat most retirees underestimate. The price of everyday essentials, groceries, gas, healthcare keeps rising. If your income doesn't increase, your retirement dollars lose value every year. A fixed index annuity with a guaranteed lifetime withdrawal benefit is the only solution that ensures guaranteed income for life. Never worry about outliving your money. Your income is locked in for as long as you live. Unlike stocks and bonds, a fixed index annuity never loses value in a downturn. Your money also grows based on market performance, but without the risk of market losses. Many fixed index annuities even include inflation protection options to increase your payouts over time, helping you keep up with rising costs. Plus, your money grows tax deferred, meaning it accumulates faster than taxable investments. No more stressing over the 4% rule, market crashes, or inflation. Your income is guaranteed. Before we jump back into the video, let us introduce you to the Annuity Expert, your trusted resource for financial guidance. At the Annuity Expert, we provide tools, insights, and expert advice to help you make confident financial decisions and achieve your goals. Our learning labs are designed to simplify complex topics like annuities, insurance, and retirement planning. With expert guides, personal finance tips, and product reviews, you'll find everything you need to build a stable and secure financial future. If you're looking to grow your savings, check out today's interest rates. You can shop and compare the latest rates to find the best opportunities for your financial needs. We also offer a suite of free financial calculators designed to help you plan smarter and achieve your goals. From retirement and investing to insurance, our tools cover a wide range of financial needs. Whether you're estimating retirement income, projecting savings growth, or evaluating insurance options, these calculators empower you to take control of your financial future with confidence. For personalized advice, speak with our licensed financial professionals for free. Share your goals, concerns, and unique circumstances, and together we'll craft a plan tailored to your needs. Visit the Annuity Expert today and start taking steps toward the financial future you deserve. Guaranteed lifetime withdrawal benefits provide lifetime income with growth potential to help keep up with inflation, even after the account has been spent down to zero. They offer access to funds, pass any remaining balance to beneficiaries, and can cover 1 or 2 lives. Payments typically exceed the 4% rule, the standard for retirement income distribution, and offer investment protection regardless of market changes. Other retirement strategies often fall short. Stocks and bonds expose you to market volatility, which can drain your savings at the worst time. Real estate isn't a guaranteed source of income, and managing rental properties can be a hassle. Dividend stocks can fluctuate and don't promise lifetime income. Even 401ks and IRAs don't automatically increase with inflation, reducing your buying power over time. If you want to secure your retirement income for life, visit the Annuity Expert. We offer a free annuity calculator that compares top-rated insurance companies to give you the best guaranteed lifetime income options, whether you need income now or in the future. Don't leave your retirement to chance. Get your personalized annuity quote today and take control of your financial future. So, if you want to learn more, don't hesitate to reach out. You can visit us online at the Annuity Expert or call us to schedule a free consultation at 770-755-1565. Again, that's 770-755-1565. Also, if you want more tips on your retirement, like and subscribe. Remember, it's never too early to start planning for your future.